Best Midsize Sports Sedans for 2024 Audi RS3. In the fiercely competitive realm of midsize sports sedans, the 2024 Audi RS3 distinguishes itself with a unique blend of power, precision, and luxury. As the high-performance variant of Audi's A3 lineup, the RS3 exemplifies the brand's commitment to delivering an exhilarating driving experience wrapped in a sophisticated package. At the heart of the 2024 Audi RS3 is a 2.5-liter turbocharged 5-cylinder engine, a rarity in today's automotive world that offers a distinctive sound and performance profile. This powerhouse delivers an impressive 401 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, the RS3 boasts rapid gear shifts that contribute to its dynamic character. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system is standard, ensuring optimal traction and stability, allowing the RS3 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, making it one of the quickest in its class. The performance credentials of the RS3 are further bolstered by its advanced suspension and chassis systems. The RS-Tune suspension, complete with adaptive dampers, strikes a balance between comfort and agility. The precise steering system enhances the car's handling capabilities, making it exceptionally nimble in corners while maintaining composure at higher speeds. Aesthetically, the 2024 RS3 exudes a commanding presence. Its aggressive styling includes a signature single-frame grille with honeycomb mesh, matrix LED headlights, and pronounced air intakes. The flared wheel arches and 19-inch alloy wheels enhance its sporty stance, while the rear features a prominent diffuser and dual oval exhaust outlets, underscoring its performance pedigree. Inside, the RS3 offers a blend of luxury and technology. The cabin is adorned with premium materials such as Nappa leather upholstery with RS-specific honeycomb stitching and carbon fiber trim. The driver-focused cockpit includes RS Sport seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and Audi's Virtual Cockpit Plus, which provides a customizable 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. The MMI Touch Response infotainment system, with a 10.1-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system, ensures connectivity and entertainment on the go. Safety and driver assistance features are comprehensive in the 2024 Audi RS3. The vehicle is equipped with a suite of advanced technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These features enhance driver confidence and ensure peace of mind during every journey. In conclusion, the 2024 Audi RS3 redefines the midsize sports sedan segment with its powerful engine, agile handling, and luxurious features. Combining performance and refinement, the RS3 offers an unmatched driving experience, making it a top choice for enthusiasts seeking both thrill and sophistication on the road. Whether navigating urban environments or enjoying spirited drives, the Audi RS3 promises an unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.